Today I am at Aquatica Orlando, SeaWorld's water park, and we get to try out KareKare Curl, their new water slide. I am super excited. We found out about this a couple weeks ago, and this is a two-person slide. So my Josh wasn't able to come, so our friend Josh is currently holding the camera. He came with me today. Just so you know, KareKare actually means wave, and when it's combined with the word curl, it basically means a curve-shaped wave. And basically, we're going to experience this curve-shaped wave when we ride this attraction. They say this is a high adrenaline, weightless adventure. So I'm interested to see how weightless we actually feel. I know whenever we tried Ray Rush the last time we were here, it was pretty intense, so I'm excited to try this one out. And if you didn't know, this is actually the second year in a row that Aquatica Orlando has opened an attraction. So last year was Ray Rush, and then this year is KareKare Curl. And I think we're just gonna go ride it, because it looks awesome.
It's officially open!
So loud. Here we go. This is quick. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, so we just rode KareKare Curl 3 times, and it was awesome. The first 2 times, Josh went down backwards, and I went down forwards, because the way they sit you in the seats, you face opposite directions. So you're kind of looking at each other and one person goes, you either go both sideways or one backwards, one forwards. So I went forwards the first 2 times and it was really fun, felt like a cool drop. But then the 3rd time I went down backwards, it took my breath away. It was crazy, but it was really awesome. We're probably gonna go again because we still have like an hour and a half here. This is a really good ride. Better than I had anticipated it being, so really, really fun. The other thing that's pretty hilarious is that everybody that gets off of the ride is pretty much laughing hysterically. Nobody has cried, so that's good, but everybody's been laughing. And as you can see, I got a smile on my face, so it was awesome.
Yeah, so it's pretty much exactly like Taylor said. When you go down backwards, you have no idea when the drop is coming, and then all of a sudden you just feel your butt come up out of the tube, and it really just feels weightless till you get up to the other side, and then you kind of go weightless again coming back down. So it was really intense, but so much fun.
So one thing I want to mention is that KareKare Curl is actually a 2-person ride, and there is a 400-pound weight limit between the 2 people. So that is something you want to take in mind whenever you come to ride this attraction. And there's a list of all the rules right outside the queue. And there are no single riders allowed on this attraction. So if you come here by yourself, try and find a buddy so you can ride this. Or just make sure you come in a group of people that there's enough of you to be able to ride it together. So I think that's gonna do it for us today here at Aquatica. The new KareKare Curl was awesome. There's some really awesome things about this attraction. When you go up that slope, we already talked about it a little bit, but you literally are like airborne on that drop and then on the slope. And one thing that's really nice that we noticed is there's like misters up along the top, and that actually kind of helps keep the slide wet so it's not dry whenever your little inner tube goes up on the wall. Make sure you come over to Aquatica Orlando and check this out. It opens tomorrow on April 12th. Yeah, it's just awesome. It's super fun.